If you're having problems smelling due to COVID, get one of these gas sniffing monitors. It will help you. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you how it works. Here we go. This is what comes in the box. You got some instructions right here, and it's real simple. And what you got to do is say it warms up after you put the batteries in. So it takes like 10 seconds. And these are AAA batteries. So you can pause this and look at the instructions, but just follow me. It's real simple to do. So I'm gonna get this thing and we're gonna go ahead and put the batteries in. So you just slide this down and you take 3 of the AAA batteries. So AAA batteries. And if you want to purchase one of these, look in the description below. I got this thing today and I'm making a video today. So if you want to get one, just look in the description below. I'll put the link in. So once you put the batteries in, I'm doing this outside where I got fresh ventilation. I turn it on and you hear that little clicking sound. It's going to do that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then that warm up light will go off and the green light will stay on. That lets you know you're ready. You can do some adjustments. As you can see right there, you could go down sensitivity. You can go all the way up. I'm gonna show you how it sounds when I go all the way up. You hear that? So what you want to do is slide this thing down until the last red little thing show up. Then you slide it a little bit more to where it starts beeping. So I'm gonna give it a test with this gas here. This is butane from one of the lighters. And what I'm doing, I'm testing it out and see it works with the butane. So now I'm gonna try it here, the natural gas here on my stove. As you can see how I'm making the adjustment right there and turn it down, right, exactly, right there, you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the gas on without igniting this and just see if it's picking up the natural gas. As you can see, it picks up the natural gas. So if you got a leak in your house, natural gas, this will detect the leak. And I was curious. I was gonna check the carbon monoxide there out of my truck at the tailpipe. So I'm gonna see, will it pick up that gas? Yep, it works fine with that. So if you're in your vehicle and you smelling gas or carbon monoxide or something, put this sniffer in there and it'll let you know. So I'm gonna go around and check these different fittings here in my house. First, I'm gonna check the one on the outside and make sure I don't have any leaks. So I'm gonna just go through all the fittings and make sure nothing's leaking out of the fittings. And like I said, I was smelling something in my house the other day, but what it was, I don't have my vent system for my kitchen vented outside. Everything's vented inside. So I'm gonna get that replaced and have it vented outside. So I'm gonna check here around my fireplace, make sure there's no gas leaks anywhere. And if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. It's a link and it'll take you right to it. Next, I'm gonna go upstairs and check my furnace, make sure I don't have no leaks on it. Also my hot water heater, because it's all natural gas. And this thing works pretty good. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.